Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings. Open Face ID and Passcode now and enter your device passcode. Once in, you'll see toggles for iPhone Unlock, iTunes and App Store, Apple Pay, and Password Auto-Fill. First action, switch those feature toggles off to stop Face ID from being used while you keep the template. If you want Face ID gone, don't stop here. Proceed to remove the stored face data so biometrics no longer authenticate your phone. Now remove the stored biometric template. Tap Reset Face ID and confirm when asked. This deletes your enrolled face data so Face ID cannot authenticate. Once removed, the phone falls back to your passcode for everything. Make sure you have a strong passcode set. If not, go to Settings right arrow Face ID and Passcode right arrow Change Passcode, or set one in Settings right arrow Face ID and Passcode. After resetting, inspect each toggle to ensure the features remain disabled. Finish by restarting your iPhone XR to ensure the system clears caches and fully applies the change. Power it off and back on. Once rebooted, test unlocking, purchases, and apps that used Face ID to confirm they now request your passcode. If Face ID still appears, make sure iOS is up to date. Then go to Settings right arrow General right arrow Reset all settings as a targeted fix. This preserves data, but restores system defaults. If problems persist, contact Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.